Oh, hey you there. Now I'm just gonna do a video about tutorials how to get that floating pic just like I did in my previous video. If you haven't watched it, make sure that you watch it. I put the link in the description. If you watch the video, you could understand more how to get that dope pic. Let's get into it. First of all, open the Adobe Photoshop. I got Photoshop CS6, which is the older version of the Photoshop. If you guys have Photoshop CC version, then congratulations. Now, first thing first, you need to do is to export the files of your pics that you want to edit. Just click here, open. And choose the file you want to edit. Make sure that your pics are all in JPEGs, not RAW, because if it's still in RAW, the Photoshop couldn't read it. So make sure that convert the RAW files to JPEG. So I got here my background and the subject I want to edit. So first let's just export the background. Now done, the first pic, which is the background, has been exported. And now let's choose the second pic. Click open again and choose the second pic, which is this. I choose this. Now the second step is now Control A to select all the particles of this picture, and let's choose the move tool. Then let's just move this picture to the background. Okay, make sure that the second pic is matched with the first pic. If you want to make sure again, just go to the opacity and decrease it to see if it's really matched. As you see this, the background is really matched, only me that invisible, so it is the sign that you have matched your picture. So let's increase the opacity to 100% again, and now let's choose the pen tool. The pen tool is used to draw what subject you want to be vanished. Now let's get to the hardest part. Let's zoom in the picture. Just click Control and plus, Control plus again to make sure that you see the picture clearly. And now let's draw it. Okay, now if you have finished your drawing, just Control minus to zoom out. Okay, if you have finished drawing and zoom out, just go and click Add Layer Mask. Okay, now you see this, the new layer mask has been inserted. Now go to Make Selection, just click Enter. Okay, Now is the fun part, which is go to your brush tool. Here is the brush tool, and make sure that the first color here is black, not white. Okay, now let's erase the chair that used to lift me. You see that? Voila, it's magic. If you guys wanna make it perfect, then just zoom in and erase it again. And guys, please make sure that if you're erasing the chair, make sure that the brush tool don't hit your body. For example, like this, your hand could vanish too. So if you have made mistake, just Control Z, then it would undo it. Now let's continue to erase the chair. Now the circle is too big. Let's just decrease it. If you want to decrease it, just hit this, then continue your work. And now it's finished. Just make sure that you erase everything, and yeah, that's done. Zoom out again, Control I. Then if you wanna erase that selection, just Control D. Voila, you're floating now. So that's it. It's easy, right? If you enjoy this video and you're really learning something from this video, just give a like and subscribe. It's all up to you. It's fun hanging out with you guys again. I'll see you tomorrow.